How to add your Threads badge on Instagram profile. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys a simple way to add the Thread badge on your Instagram profile. As you guys might be familiar, Thread is another app from Meta and it's similar to Twitter, but if you want to add some kind of text only and create a thread, it's a very interesting app. So I'm going to show you how you can add your Threads profile on the Instagram profile. So first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram. And once you get to your Instagram, what you need to do is just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you get to your profile, you will have an option to edit your profile. As you can see, there is nothing on my profile right now except for my name and bio. So you just tap on edit profile. So once you do that, at the bottom of your screen, you will have an option that says show threads badge. When it is turned off, Instagram badge on your threads profile will also disappear. So you just want to turn this on. And once you toggle this on and go back to your profile, as you can see, my threads profile has also been shown on the Instagram profile. So if I just tap on it, it will redirect me to my threads profile. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.